Heroes, this is Gus from the Hero Academy Hero Hub. I hope your Super Stride missions were successful because thanks to your movement measurements, the Hero Hub tracking system is back online. Stride scanners recalibrated, distance sensors restored, movement grid mostly stable. I say mostly because, well, now we have a new problem. Very splashy, possibly soggy socks because of the problem. A very wet problem. Glitched Gus has opened the hydro system and flooded part of the Hero Hub. The lower levels are filling with water. Supply crates are floating now. The snack cabinet is in danger. And if we do not act fast, the entire system could sink. Heroes, this is not a drill. This is a float or fail emergency. Water levels rising, cargo systems failing. Your recruits cannot build a vessel strong enough. Everything will sink. Okay, first of all, Glitch Gus, leave the snack cabinet out of this. Second of all, here is he thinks everything will sink, but he forgot one thing that I know. Heroes do not panic when the water rises. We design, we test, we improve, and this week we float. Your mission this week is Hydro Hero. This week, you will build a small boat out of aluminum foil. Your job is to design a boat that can hold as much weight as possible before it sinks. You can test it with pennies, coins, small washers, or any other objects that you have hanging around. The goal is to figure out how to shape, balance, and design will affect the weight that the boat can hold. Because in the Hero Hub, we need a rescue vessel that can help carry as many supplies as possible across the flooded zone and possibly save the snack cabinet. I'm just saying, priorities. Before you launch your boat, complete the reading unlock. This week's reading unlock is write one paragraph from the villain's or problem character's point of view. That means you're going to have to think about the story from another perspective. Ask yourself, what does the villain or problem character want? Why are they causing trouble? What do they think is happening? How could they explain their choices? Heroes need perspective. Understanding someone else's point of view can sometimes help you solve problems in a smarter way. It doesn't mean that we agree with the villain. It just means we understand what they're thinking. And honestly, I would love to understand what Glitch Gus is thinking, but I'm pretty sure it's mostly just static and bad decisions. When your mission is complete, upload your proof of power to the Padlet. You can upload a photo of your full boat, a short video of your boat holding water, holding weight, not water, your data table, your number of pennies or objects the boat held, your total mass calculations, your reading paragraph from the villain's or problem character's point of view, then add your sticker or check to Mission 7 on your hero map. Mission 7 is huge. That means you are one mission away from completing all 8 Hero Academy missions. The Hero Hub is almost restored. Glitch Gus is running out of systems to scramble, and I am running out of emergency snacks. Need help with your Hydro Hero mission? Come to Hero Hub mission check-in on Tuesday from 9 to 12. Bring your packet, your hero map, full if you have it, or I have some here, your reading response, and your best I will not create a school flood promise. We can build, test, create, calculate, count, and improve your boat design together. We are not stopping now. We are not sinking now. We are floating forward. Your Hydro Hero mission starts now. Build the boat, test the weight, record the data, save the flooded systems and heroes. I just received one final emergency alert. The hydro system is draining, but the hero core is exposed. The final system is vulnerable. Next week, we may need to protect something fragile, very fragile, possibly egg-shaped. Stay ready, recruits. One mission remains. Gus out.